Hello everyone and welcome to Delft Stack. If your Windows 11 computer is completely unstable, throwing constant blue screens or failing to apply major updates, your core installation is likely corrupted. I will show you how to safely reinstall and repair your operating system without losing any of your personal files or apps right now. Let's get started. First, modern versions of Windows 11 include a dedicated tool to cleanly reinstall your operating system directly through the Settings menu. Open your Windows settings, ensure you are on the System tab on the left sidebar, and scroll down to click on Recovery. Look for the Fix Problems Using Windows Update section and click the Reinstall Now button. Click OK on the prompt to allow Windows to securely download and reinstall its core components while keeping your files safe. Next, if the automated recovery tool fails or is missing, you must manually download the official installation media from Microsoft. Open your web browser, search for Download Windows 11, and click the official Microsoft software download page. Scroll down to the Download Windows 11 Disk Image section, select the Multi-Edition ISO from the drop-down, and choose your language. Click the 64-bit download button and wait patiently for the large installation file to completely save to your local drive. Finally, you will use this ISO file to perform an in-place upgrade, which forces a fresh installation directly over the corrupted one. Right-click the downloaded ISO file in your File Explorer and select Mount to open it as a virtual DVD drive. Double-click the setup.exe file inside, click Next, accept the licensing terms, and ensure the Keep Personal Files and Apps option is strictly checked. Click Install and allow your computer to restart several times as it completely rebuilds your broken Windows installation. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.